Hello vlog, it's Kaylee D, and I was editing this vlog, like the clips I had taken earlier in the week, and it just wasn't feeling right. So I'm here trying to piece it all together for you so it doesn't look like a total messy mess. The dogs are going absolutely crazy. Can we just take a little bit of a break, you guys, so mommy can film her video? How are you gonna get up there? What are you gonna do? No. Come this way, come this way, come this way. Whoa. All day long. This is all day long. They kind of look like National Geographics, you know, when they're just like going at each other. In today's episode of National Geographic's Animals in the Wild, we have two miniature Aussies going at it. They're trying to fight for dominance. Who will let up? Who will not? We may never know. Stay tuned and subscribe. Anyways, it's okay. We just live in a small city apartment and we're basically in the wild. How are we feeling? Do we need a water break? Back to what we were talking about. So I filmed a bunch of clips from Ryan's birthday. I ended up making him a last minute birthday cake. I saw in one of my favorite cookbooks, The Food Nanny, that there was a strawberry and cream cake, and Ryan's absolute favorite cake is a strawberry cake. Now we had the best strawberry cake from Joanna Gaines Bakery in Waco, Texas. Now I knew that this cake wasn't going to be exactly that, but I thought of course it would play on that strawberry flavor and it would be fun to try a new recipe out. So I did end up making that before we went to dinner. And then here are a few clips I took before dinner, and I will continue the vlog with the clips that I took, and hopefully it will tumble into a few other videos that we can wrap this vlog up with. Getting ready to go to dinner with Ryan for his birthday. Hey. I really like how my makeup's turning out. I kind of want to keep it no eye makeup and more heavy on like the blush and brows. I may change my mind, but for right now, I'm just kind of loving the no makeup on the eyes look. And then my dress is from Windsor. I will try to get a picture in it, so go check out my Instagram because most likely it'll be up on there. Adding a little garnish. Gorgeous. There it is. I'm gonna pop this in the refrigerator and then I will take it out after we get back from dinner. We just got back from dinner and I'm gonna try a piece of his cake. He's not in the mood for cake right now, and that's okay. I've never made like a semi-homemade box mix cake, so I'm curious to see how it tastes. Whoa. That's really good. Super fluffy, moist from the sour cream. We get that tanginess from the strawberry icing, and it's not like too overly sweet, which I really like. This is so good. I'm gonna go take off all my makeup and I will see you guys in a little bit. You guys, I don't know what's going on with me, but I woke up today with utter exhaustion. Like, I feel completely run down. My joints hurt. I feel lethargic. Like, I just couldn't focus all day at work. I'm so tired, and I took a nap, and I never ever take naps. Like, rarely do I take those because then I just can't sleep at night, and then the insomnia hits, and it's just a whole thing. So I rallied and took that little nap, and now I'm going to meet my friend Emma for dinner, and I definitely did not want to cancel because it's at a restaurant I've been wanting to try for quite some time now called Elefante in Santa Monica. So that is where we're heading. I will bring you guys along, and I want to show you my cute outfit, and hopefully there's a full-length mirror there because I need to get one for my apartment. I don't have one, so let's go. such a vibe. So we had to get the eggplant dip. This stuff looks amazing, and they come with this like huge bread that you rip apart and stew it together. Eggplant dip is so good, you guys. Just up in the gym, working on my fitness, you my witness. I was just on my Instagram stories talking about this, so I thought I'd whip out my camera for my YouTube channel for anyone who doesn't follow me on Instagram. I was discussing how it's really hard to have a healthy mindset towards food and really try to have that good relationship with it, and then it not resulting in the way that you want to look. So like, I've been working really hard on having a healthier mindset, not focusing on restricting calories and being obsessive over it. And honestly, like, that works for some people and they don't have a bad relationship with food. And then for other people like me, my body just can't handle it. Like, I gain so much weight because I'm so short and I overindulge, and I guess I'm not fully there with the healthy relationship with food. So therefore, I don't look the way I want to, but I'm getting there. I'm working towards it. I'm finally now just like ready to get back into the health grind and really just like start working out. But I just want to say, for anyone out there who's struggling with this, like, it's healthy to focus on your mental health first rather than the way that you look. I think it all stems from here, and then hopefully everything else will fall into place because you're mentally there. And yeah, I don't know. I've just been struggling with it. I just thought I would get on here and let you know, like, I want to show you, like, this is real. I hold belly fat down here that I've never had before. I'm more like watery and inflamed. I definitely hold weight right here, but that's okay. Like, I know I'll get back to where I want to be, and I'm trying to just really be okay with where I'm at every step along the way to where I want to be. I am about to hop into the shower, but I thought I would share with you some of my shower products that I've been using because I have been really loving them lately. I love the Day shampoo, and this is the deep conditioner. This is the conditioner. I don't shampoo and condition my hair that much that the deep conditioner would be enough for me. Ryan uses the conditioner and also loves it. Then I love the Rose Jam shower gel. I also use this as a bubble bath. The water as it's going in, and it just makes your bath smell so good and bubbly and sudsy. I haven't really been loving this product. I can't seem to get through these two products. It's been taking me forever. I do really love this pumpkin turmeric mask. And then my friends actually gave me this, and I have been loving this line. It's the DPACV apple cider vinegar hair mask. The sea salt scrub, Ryan has been using this as well, and he's really been enjoying it. And then I've been trying out this new Kapari sudsy shower oil. So, oh, and then I love this. I got this off of Amazon, and it's a scalp scrubber. I didn't know I needed this until I got it. And one last thing, I absolutely love my little Scrubby Bee. This is like a body exfoliator, and it has a bunch of shea oils. This is the only thing that literally makes my, sorry, it's so freaking nasty in there, but it's the only thing that makes my skin after the shower feel super hydrated. I can't seem to find a lotion that does that, so thought I'd share that with you too. Good morning, it's May 27th. It is the day that we've all been waiting for. Well, all Friends fans. It's the day they have a reunion. I'm so excited to watch it today. Good morning, I am walking into work. It's kind of a long day today. I have a lot of errands to run, and then today, later on, we have some filming, so I have to be here for that. Keep you guys updated though. So I just picked Ryan up from work. I had a really long day at work today, actually. Ember is passed on out because Ryan gave him his first grooming session. And what did he do?
Bit me twice.
And he was biting the dryer because he's crazy. He's absolutely psychopath, but we love him. Oh, and she also smells beautiful, and she's super soft. So anyways, we are going home, gonna have some dinner, and then I'm hoping to watch the Friends reunion tonight. So I gotta call my friend Brandy and see if she's watching it tonight so we can watch it together, because we watched it our freshman year of college. We binged all the seasons, even Ryan binged them with me, and just one of my all-time favorite shows, so I'm super excited. Thank you, boy. Are you so exhausted? I'm just so excited. Friends reunion. Okay, I need to restart it. We'll prop you guys up. I'll live reaction for a few minutes and I'm gonna end the vlog here. We got Popsicle Boy in the bed with Ember. I have to watch it on my laptop because we don't have. Oh no, the sound is not working. Full body chills. Let's go. Friends ran from 10 seasons from 1994 to 2004. Since the finale, the 6 cast members have been in a room all together only once until today. Why is it silent?
You turned off all the sound.
No, I didn't.
Want to bet?
I want to bet. I did. You win.
I kept telling you why did you do that. You're going to say something.
I got some time. Okay, should we get some coffee?
Sure.
Emotional.
Why?
I don't know. I just love this show so much.
So many different episodes of like, you know, Lisa playing guitar up there, Jen and I, our first kiss, like the pilot opening the umbrella. Oh, I mean, come on.
The sets are so good.
Where is everyone? Come on, I want to see everyone.
Me too. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna soak this all in and watch it. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!